Hey, Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today we're gonna make Chipotle Coleslaw. So if we're gonna get started, I usually prepare ingredients, but today I thought I would do it live or recording and doing it at the same time. We need 4 cups of red cabbage, 4 cups of green cabbage. You can either use 2 cups of kale or 2 cups of spinach chopped up. So what I like to do is take off any bad leaves. So I like to cut it in half. This is a big cabbage, so we obviously won't need it all. I like to take out the center here. We don't need this core. So let's remove the core. Pretty easy. I like big pieces of cabbage in my slaw. I just start by cutting slices like this, and then I'll just start going along like this. So let's see if that's close to 4 cups. Okay, let's check. Are we close to 4 cups? We might be right on the number. Oh no, let's do a little bit more. 4 cups. Now I wash it. I like to get it really good and dry, otherwise it makes the sauce watered down and nobody wants that. So once again, I cut the bottom off to make it easier. It's nice and solid surface. So let's see if we got 4 cups. Pretty good, pretty good. All right, let's wash the green. Now the dish calls for 2 cups of greens, spinach or the kale. I like to do kind of like a quick rough chop. Okay, we'll set this to the side and make our dressing. I'm gonna clean up first. It's kind of a mess. I'm back, I gotta wash my hands. So let's start with our Chipotle dressing. A cup of vegan yogurt or a cup of mayo. I'm gonna try it with the yogurt. I normally make it with the mayo, but why not? 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons agave, a teaspoon of celery seed. Now what makes this so delicious? Chipotle peppers in an adobo sauce. This will really give it a yummy kick and really great flavor. So depending on how much of a kick you want, take out your 2. You can remove the stem, chop it up. I want to chop it up pretty fine. You can smell it, it's smoky. It's gonna be perfect. Not your typical coleslaw. So go ahead and mix that together. A little salt. That is spicy. And a little bit of pepper. Now let's add it to our cabbage. This is not your typical coleslaw. It's way better, in my opinion. Okay, I'm gonna refrigerate it and we'll be right back. I've got it back from the refrigerator. It sat in there about an hour, 2 hours. You could always make the salad the night before and the dressing. Don't keep them together. Wait to go to serve it, put the dressing on, and then serve it up. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the dressing on the top, and then we're gonna give it a try. Now the best part. So good. You're gonna love it. Bye.